Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 1 of year 2025 of UPSC Civil Services mains exam. Question number 4C1 is: in an epicyclic gear train of the sun and planet type shown in the figure below, the under gear A matches internally. The three identical planet wheel P of equal size mesh with annular gear A and the sun wheel S. The planet wheels are carried by a star-shaped spider seat. The size of the different toothed wheels are such that the spider seat which carries the planet wheel is to make one revolution for every 5 rotations of the spindle carrying the sun wheel S when the gear A is stationary. If the minimum number of teeth on any wheel is 14, determine the number of teeth for all the wheels. Further, if the driving torque for the on the sun wheel is 200 Newton meter, determine the fixing torque required to keep the annular gear A stationary. So this is the given figure. A is annular gear, S is sun gear, P is planet, C is spider. So first of all, it is given that the annular gear is fixed, so revolution of NA is 0, and for one revolution of spider there are 5 revolution of sun gear. So NC is 1 and pi NS is here 5, and minimum number of teeth on any wheel is given as 14, so T minimum is 14. So we will prepare a table, action table. First of all, we will fix the spider C and give S as one revolution. Then the C rotation is 0, S rotation is 1, and rotation of P will be here minus PS by TP into NS is here 1, so it is TS minus TS by TP, and rotation of A will be here minus TS by TP into TP by TA. TP will cancel out, so it will be minus TS by TP. So now second action is now we'll give sun gear X solution and keep the C fixed. So just we multiply the whole equation by X. So it will be 0, this is X, this is minus Tx, minus X Ts by Tt, and this will be minus X Ts by Tt. Now we'll give Y revolution to C also. So we'll add Y to whole Y. The revolution of C will be Y, revolution of S will be Y plus X, revolution of P will be Y minus X Ts by Tt, and revolution of A will be Y minus Ts by Ts. Now it is given that NC is 1, so it means Y is 1, and NS is 5, so it means Y plus X is 5. So as Y is 1, so X is 4, and it is given that NA is 0, so Y minus X Ts by Ta is 0, or Ts by Ta is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. So now we have, from the figure you can see that radius of A is equal to diameter of P plus radius of S, or you can say radius of A is equal to 2 into radius of P plus RS. If we keep the module same, we can change this radius into number of teeth. So T, because module will cancel out, so it will be TA is equal to 2 PP plus TS. Okay, now from 1 we have TS is equal to, sorry, TA is equal to 4TS, so we will put TA is equal to 4TS, 4TS is equal to 2P plus STS, or we can say 3TS is equal to 2TP, or TS by TP is equal to 3. So here we get TS by TA is equal to 1 by 4. So it means number of teeth on the wheel S is, or sun wheel is minimum. So we'll take TS is equal to 14. So from this we get TP is equal to, from this equation we get TP is equal to 21, and TA is equal to, from this we get 56. So now it is given that the torque on sun gear is given as 200 Newton meter, and we know that the gear train itself does not consume any fuel, and there is no torque on planet also. So TP is 0. So TS is input, TC is output, TA is fixing gear. So TS plus TA plus TC should be equal to 0. So as the gear train also do not consume any power, doesn't consume any power, so power consumed by gear train is 0. So power input is TS NS and power output is TC NC. So there is no revolution of NA, so NA will be not there. TP, sorry, TA NA will not be there, and TP 0, so TP NP will also be. The only power consuming devices or input power is from here, output is from here. Input plus output is equal to 0. So TS is 200, NS is 5, NC is 1, so TC comes as minus 1000. Now we put here TC as minus 1000, so we get TA as 800 Newton meter, which is your fixing torque.